Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Money Man 48 Tanecraft. Please go down below, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to slap the bell. So today we have here Dubstep ringtones. So these ringtones right here are pretty sweet. I tried them out for a few minutes and I'm like, I should make a video out of it. So this first one is called Boom Boom. Okay, prepare to listen. And before you guys go, please comment down below your favorite dubstep ringtone. All right. Yeah, I kind of like that one. That was pretty cool, but let's try the next one. The first one was Boom Boom. Okay, next one is the next one is called is everybody crazy?
Everybody crazy?
Oh, hold up, wait. let's retry that.
Everybody crazy?
Okay, that was it for that one. The next ringtone is, let me see. That's 1, 2. Okay, number three. Number 3 is Valentine. Okay. Okay, that's it for that one. Now for number 4, right? Yeah, number 4 is I Can't Stop. Okay.
I can't stop.
Okay, that's it for that one. Now this next one is called You've Gotta Believe. Okay, next one is called. This next one is called Screwdriver Beats. Okay. Now, so far we gone through Boom Boom, Is Everybody Crazy, Valentine, I Can't Stop, You Gotta Believe, and Screwdriver Beats. Okay. Now, next one is Get It Out. Okay, that was it for Get It Out. Next one is called Take Me Away.
So take me away.
Okay, that was it for that one. Next one is called Hold Me. Okay, this next one. This one is called Who the F Are You? Alright?
Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you?
Okay. Okay, this next one is called Beat Club. Not Beat Club, Beat Dub, I meant. Oh, hold up. I hate when these ads pop up like that. Okay, that was it for that one. Now, this next one is called Boombox. Okay, next one is called Halloween. Okay, now, after this one is called Other Side, okay? Alright, that was it for that one. Now, this next one is called Demonic. Alright, this next ringtone is called Headshot. Okay, now, this next one is my most favorite one out of all of these ringtones you sing so far. This one's called Let Me Take a Selfie, okay?
First, let me take a selfie.
Okay, everybody. I'm going to end the video here, and make sure you go subscribe, hit the like button, make sure you slap the bell, and comment down below what is your favorite one. And if we can get 100 likes on this video, I will do a part 2 to this video. Okay, so go down below and comment your favorite ringtone so far, and let me know. Oh wait, one more thing. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Okay, thank you, and be breezy.